Copy this link to get a discount, and I'll also get a discount. Put it in your browser and let me explain how the process works. So follow me. When you come here, we have two plans, and I'm going to explain the both of it, the one I use actually. So here it's service. If you click on service with the link, you will find business email. This business email, you click on it. When you click on it, you will click on claim deed to take you down. So here are three different prices. Yeah, this is the recommended one, so do not use this one. Use this one or this better one, okay? So if we choose this very one, let me show you. So if we choose this one, this is what the price will be for a year. So if you are actually trying to like use it for just messaging for a limited time, for you know what I mean, you can then choose a month's plan and then reduce the mailbox, which is how many mailbox you can create. They said up to 5, so you can reduce it up to 1 because you are actually going to use 1, and then you need to scroll down and you can see extra mailbox here. Get a domain. So if the domain you want to work on, it is latinman.com, and you want to find another subdomain, another extension, you can choose any other extension. Okay, let me say if it's latinman. Already latinman is being bought by me, it's not available. So if this domain is already taken and you want to choose another domain extension, or you want to like change 1 or 2 here, you can do add or something, I don't know, but you can see this one is available and it's for 39. And then you can also use the .eu if you want to, like this one is 15. So if I include it here, you would see the difference. You will see it's giving us for $12 for 2 years, and the price would have increased to 18. You can also reduce it to a year, and the price is $10. And don't forget, this domain is a year, but this Titan is for a month. So that is a 2 different thing. And if you want to check out, you can pay out with crypto or pay anything. Okay, let me just show you how it works. It will prompt me to sign up, which I don't want to. So I'm just showing you how it works. So if you sign up, if you get to that place, you sign up with your Gmail, and then the next process will be making payment. You can pay with your card, you can pay with your OPay, you can pay with crypto and whatever. So the next thing I want to show you is, maybe let's say this is it here. I'm still using the link. Let's say we are going to be using a host, which is the one I'm currently on. If you choose this plan, which is business, it's going to be more costlier than, because it has all the package. So the reason why the price is this big is because of what I choose before. So I'm going to remove those ones too. So here it's for 48, which is 2 years, right? So if I go for a month, 12 months, it's going to be 53. It's a host, but it comes with free Titan, okay? And then you can then start adding domain, and as you're adding domain, it's going to last you for a year, not a month. So that's the difference, because you are buying the domain, you are deploying a site with it, even if it's a free site, but you are deploying a site with it. So if you choose this, it's going to give you 53 days. You can then come here and add a domain like I did before. then maybe if you add a domain, $12, it's going to go up to 60 something. Okay, I believe you get all these things. So when you add a domain, let me just do it, latinman.au. Okay, let's say we add this domain now. So, and then reduce it to a year 2. You can click on continue and you'll be prompted to register or log in. So I will just log into my own. So you just register and then make payment. You will get an email notification. So here is the next step of what I would do. I would go to when you log in, you will come to this Hostinga panel, which is H panel. You will see the link in your email dashboard. Come down to the email section, click on the email. So you will see claim your free email. This happens when you have deployed a site. You will see when you log in, you are going to see the site deploy. Just deploy a free site and claim your free email. And then if you can also click on this, which is get an email plan for $0 or $1 as well. So we are going to be using this one. So if you click on claim free plan, select the domain. Let me say I take this one. Let me say I'm using this and I click on confirm. It will prompt me to select anyone. I will use a free plan. Okay, I can use this one, but I'm going to use a free plan, which I'm not going to click because I already have one down. So click on the free one and then you will come here. As you come here, it will say something like connect a domain or connecting a domain. You leave it for a while, it will sync. When it's done syncing, click on this manage, and then you would have to set up this improve email reputation that is currently poor. Click on this improve. So I have a write-up here that could help us. So what we will do is we go to site after we've selected them, the one we select, go to site list, and then this is the one I'm using. Click on dashboard, select the site name, click on dashboard here. When you click on dashboard, you can see what it's giving us. The next part is we are going to click on advanced. Scroll down, click on advanced. You will see DNS zone. So you click on DNS zone editor. This is the DNS zone editor. So what we will do is we are going to add all these things, which is MX. Click on here, add a record, come here, call it MX. Leave this A as it is, then copy this. I am going to leave the link there. Copy this and add it there. This has a high reputation of hitting inbox if you are using it. So click on this, add it. Yes, leave this priority that is set like this. You can add yours 10 360. So okay, we can also do it like that, which is this. So we would put this one here and add the record. So it's being added. The next record we are going to add is this one too, which is another MX2. We would go back, and then since we already added this one, we will now call this MX1. The 2 is this one, and the 2 is going to be 20. The priority is going to be 20. which is after we add this, and call this one 20, and then also add a record. So we scroll down, we would add this one, which is a TST record. So click on this, call it a TST record, and then copy this we'll copy this, sorry, we will copy this. Please don't do mistake and paste it here. Then this is gonna be 3,600 as we used to, and then we'll set this up there and add this record here. We would, so this is all for now. So when we are done with this, we would actually click on this email and open it in another link. I'll click on this mailbox. Then create an email account here. So I'll call this depending on the email at extension you want to work on. If it's Matt, you call it Matt. If it's John, you call it John. If it's Harry, you call it Harry. If it's Latin man, you call it Latin man. Here I'll call it Latin man as usual. So you would add your password here. For me, I will add my password recovery email. I will add this. So this is the password recovery email I used. Okay, and then you can click on make this email an admin, make this email account an admin. So you create your account, create new account. So when you are done, this is the password, this is the email. Okay, don't forget, I will copy this down, and then you can use this as a hostinga.titan.email. Click on done. You should see where it says access webmail here. Let's click on it. It should take us to the Titan. Here you log in. The password you entered while you were registering, click on it. So your confirmation, I will do this later. You can confirm it to send email to send code to the email. So I'll do this later. So you are inside a Titan webmail. You can then get started with creating the order process, like adding advanced tracking, email template, appointments, smart try, and the rest, signature design, the rest other stuff. So this is how we create a Titan webmail from step by step. So don't forget to join us on Telegram, where we drop update, tutorial, and then method. Also, don't forget to follow our forum. This forum is where we drop tools, tutorial, method, and information that will help you make money online. I mean, good information.
Don't forget, join us today, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn up your notification button to receive notification when we drop another update. Okay, bye for now.